To help you with this question, let's think through the solution together. Here you're being told that you need to calculate the standard labour cost of 1 unit of product N. In the information that's been provided, you can clearly see there is some idle time here. So when a product N is being manufactured on a production line, the production line itself does need to be reset every 2¼ hours, and this takes around 15 minutes. So the first thing we want to do is to work out as a percentage how much idle time are we dealing with. So to do this, we're going to take the 2.25 hours, which represents 2¼ hours, and we're going to turn that into minutes, and that roughly equates to 135 minutes. Okay, all I've done here is simply multiplied by 60 minutes. Okay, so 2.25 multiplied by 60. We know that 15 minutes of this time is going to be idle because once the reset happens, there is nothing that the production staff can do for around 15 minutes. In total, then, we're dealing with around 150 minutes here. So 15 as a percentage of 150, okay, represents 10% of idle time. So I'm simply taking the idle minutes there and dividing that by the total. Now, what we know from the information is that it takes 27 minutes to manufacture a product, but we know that actually 10% is going to be idle time. So if it takes 27 minutes to produce this product, actually that number is only 90% of the time that it's going to take, because what we need to do is add on another 10% of this time that is idle, okay, or idle. So how are we going to calculate that? Now, to work out the 10% time, if we know that 27 represents 90%, we're simply going to do 27 divided by 90 to work out 1%, and then multiply this by 10 to get the 10%. And actually what that gives us is 3 minutes. Okay, so in total, 27 minutes of actual productivity time plus the 3 minutes is going to give us 30 minutes altogether. Now, 30 minutes as a decimal or a fraction of an hour is 50%. Okay, that's half an hour. So if here the staff are being paid $14 an hour, if we multiply that by 0.5 or half, because 30 minutes is half of an hour, we're going to get the 7, which is option 3 in this question. Now, in your solution, what you've done is you've taken 10% of the 27 minutes, which is incorrect because you're assuming that 27 is representative of 100% of the time. And actually it isn't. As we've just said here, that is the 90% of the productive time to which we need to add a further 10%. And therefore, the calculation will work as I've shown you in this video.